up, guys? Today is Monday. We're gonna be doing an unboxing. Check this out. We got the seamless garage.
Just get me in that room, wait.
What?
Just get me in that shop.
Give you in the shop. Yeah,
come. Fast. Come on. Just get me in that shop quick. Any shot you want to just take a picture here. Come. I'll make sure you date. I intend to carry that motherfucker myself. Seriously.
We got the seamless garage axle spacers. I'm gonna be unboxing today.
You got me, right?
Huh?
You got me?
Yeah. Rudy said you got me.
Yeah, you got me. As long as you got me fucking in the shot, I don't give a shit. That's all.
Had to make sure I got Rudy.
What the fuck is it? What you
Usually Rudy didn't like being on the videos.
No, I don't.
But I'm getting sued.
He
but I have no fucking choice.
He feeling pretty, I guess.
We got a lawsuit going on.
What do you got there?
A baby knife.
The axle spacers.
He ruined the video.
Yeah, man. Rudy wanted to have a cameo on it after for like the whole 6 months. He never wanted to be part of it. Oh, they sent goodies in here?
Oh.
That's lit. Seamless garage. Good looking. But to what we needed. I'm out here probably looking crazy. Wait, hold up. It's a little cold in here, man. Packaging is pretty good. These are the joints. Can you see what you're doing?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. Because the screen turns off when you get close to the camera.
I know, but I'm looking through the hole.
So these go back here. Come back. So basically, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the axle off. We're gonna slide these spacers in here to make up for the slack on the axle. I guess. I don't know. I think that's what it does. I hope it does something on my car. We got them. We're gonna install them. And if it works, it works. I believe they're $50 on the website. Quality is pretty good. The only thing I see is this right here. That's it. That's the only little piece. That's probably from the machine cutting it. Pretty fresh. They're thick too. Nice and thick. You think they'll put in some work, bro, putting it in here?
Why the fuck wouldn't it?
They say it's supposed to be take off the slack from the axles, from when you go low.
Yeah.
Pushes the axle.
It makes sense. It makes sense. It's basically like putting fucking like engine.
I'm trying to see if this helps the diff OEM has a slack on this side. Look, like a little baby slack.
Oh, you know.
So when you clutch kick it, like that little slack be damaging the gears over time.
Makes sense.
So I'm gonna see if this fixes it. If not, we need a new diff. If you guys know what diff to go with, let me know. I'm thinking about maybe going with the Ford 8.8 swap, but that's a lot of money for me. So I might just go with the wave track. But let me know what you guys think, man. We over here doing some maintenance. Yo, my Guibo is chopped, son.
I need to check my Guibo because
Right,
I like doing digs.
Clutch kicking like me,
but I like doing digs, so I be off the line every day.
Yeah.
They have an upgraded one for my car, surprisingly.
Oh, they do?
Some green shit.
I wouldn't go with it. Oh, I know what it is.
They say it has a slight shake, but I
The
don't.
rev shift shit. I was gonna buy it. I mean, I bought it and I returned it.
They say it gives it a slight shake. Some people say don't. No, so